So if you are a graphic designer and wanna make your own portfolio website, there are few great platforms to choose from. You can try Wix for more custom design freedom, Behance to showcase your work to the design community, or Adobe Portfolio if you are already using Adobe tools. But for this video, we are going with Canva. Why Canva? Because it's super easy to use, completely free and perfect if you don't want to deal with complicated settings. You can build a clean, professional looking portfolio in just a few minutes. No coding, no stress. So let's jump in and start building it step by step. So first of all, head over to canva.com and under it we need to go to the template section from here. And once you go here, search for portfolio to get portfolio templates. So we just need to search for it like this. Once you search for it, then go to all filters and filter it by website so that it will show us all the portfolio templates they have. And then we need to scroll down here. You can also filter it by style, theme and language, but I'm just gonna filter it by website and hit apply. And then from here we can choose the template which we wanna customize. So let's say I wanna go for this template, then I can just hover over it and they will show us the preview. So let's say I wanna preview this, then I can just take my cursor on it and then I can see the preview here. Now all the templates which have this crown icon are paid templates, so that we need to have Canva Pro subscription in order to use these templates. But this template doesn't have any crown icon, so I can just click on it and then under it I can see more like these templates here. I can just go on it as well, but I'm happy with it. To customize this template, we need to click on customize this template from here and it will open a new tab. On this window we can customize everything related to our site. So let's say I want to move this text, then I can just select this text element here and I can place it anywhere I want. And in case you want to undo it, then press Ctrl Z on your keyboard and the change will be undo. You can also redo it by pressing Ctrl Y on your keyboard, or you can do the same thing from here. This is the undo button and this is the redo button. In case you want to zoom out from your preview screen, then for that just drag the slider down and then the preview screen will be zoomed out. If you want to zoom in, then drag the slider up like this. If you want to fit to your screen, then tap on this percentage icon and then fit it to your screen. And now on the left hand side we can access different tools. So let's say I want to add different elements on my preview screen or on my canvas. Then for that I need to go to the elements tab and under it I can find different types of elements. So if you wanna add any shapes, then you can just go to shapes, then click on see all and under it you can see different types of shapes. So let's say I wanna add this circle shape, then I can just drag and drop it on my canvas and the shape will be added, but I don't want to have it. Now to delete any element, then just select that element, then you'll see this trash can icon, click on it and that particular element will be deleted. And similarly you can add different types of elements on your canvas, like you can see here buttons. You can also add graphics here. You can also add polls, stickers, photos, videos, charts, sheets, tables, frames. So all the elements can be added here. You can see mockups as well. Now in case you wanna add different kind of text element on your screen, then for that go to text section and under it you can add a simple text box like this and that particular text box will be added. But I want to delete it. For that I need to firstly select it and then tap on this trash can icon. Now I want to add this heading text, then for that I can just select this text. Now let's say I want to customize this text according to my need, then for that I just need to double tap on this text element and then I can type anything which I want. So let's just type my channel name here, which is LearnLite Express. Once we type it here, you can see the text is not fitting properly. To fit it properly, we just need to expand the text box like this and then the text will fit properly. If you want to customize your text element, then for that firstly select all of your text at once and then you will see this top toolbar. Under it we can choose the font of our choice. So let's say I want to go with this one, then I can select that from here and the font will be changed. So let's just increase the size of our text box like this and you can see the font here. If I want to change the color of my text, then firstly select your text from here. If you want to increase the font of it, then you can do it from here. To change the color, click on text color from here and choose any color you want to have. So let's go with this aqua blue and then the color of the text will be changed. Similarly you can repeat the same process for changing different type of text. So let's say I want to bold it, then select the text first, then click on bold. You can also italic it, you can underline the text, and similarly you can go through all these options here to customize your text. So let's say I want to add an effect for my this portfolio text, then for that click on effects and on this left panel you can select any effect you want to have. So let's go with this neon effect, or let's stick with this glitch effect. And to adjust the settings for it, we can see offset here. We can also see the directions, colors. So everything can be customized for your text using this top toolbar. And now in case you want to change the background for your section, then for that select your section first, and in case you want to delete any section, then you will see this trash can here as well, which will be used for deleting any unwanted section. But I don't want to do it. I want to change the color of my section. For that I have selected the section here, then click on this color option from here, and now on the left panel you will see different types of colors. So let's say you want to use your photo color. So this is the photo which will be used for an reference color, and you can choose any color from that image like this. If you want a default solid color, then you can choose that from here, but I want to go for a simple gradient color. For that I'll just select that from here, and you can see the color has been successfully changed. Now I want to replace this image with my own. So for that we need to go to the upload section. For that go to the left hand side and click on uploads, and here click on upload file and choose the image which you want to upload for your logo. So this is the image I have selected it. Then click on open, and it will start uploading that image here. And while that image is uploading, we need to get rid of this logo from here. For that select that logo and hit delete key on your keyboard, and then the logo will be deleted. I also want to delete the shape, and now drag and drop your logo here. So this is the logo, I can just place it here. Now to resize it, we just need to drag the corner handles like this and place it anywhere you want. So I want to place it here. Now let's just place it here. Now to change this text, I can just select it and add my own name here, which is Rahul Sharma. Now let's say I wanna change this template image with my own image. Then for that I need to go to the upload section, and under it upload your file first, and then drag your image over the image which you wanna replace. So I wanna replace this image. Then for that I just need to take my image and place it over it like this, and then the image will be replaced without changing anything. But you can see the image is not fitting properly. So to fit it properly, we need to double tap on it, and once the image is highlighted, you can place it wherever you want. So let's just place it like this, and now click outside of your canvas, and then the image will be fitted properly. And you can do the same thing for replacing your content with your own. And now let's say I want to add different section on the top of this section. Then for that I can just go to the design tab, and under it let's say I want to have this welcome section on my this template. Then for that I can just drag this template here and place it on your canvas like this. Then it will give you this pop-up. If you want to replace your current section, then select the first option, but if you want to add it as a new section, then select the add new section option, and then that particular section design will be added on your canvas. But as you can see, this is still my welcome section, but I want to have this section as my welcome section. To do that, first select your section, and on the left side of it you will see this move up arrow. So we need to click on it to move it upward. If you want to move it downward, then click on this move down arrow, and then that section will be moved downward. If you want to hide it, then click on hide section, and then that section will be hidden from your site. But I don't want to hide it. You can also lock this. You can add or duplicate this section. You can delete the section from here, or you can add different section under this section. Let's just change the text here. I want to add my LearnLite Express text, which will be like this. Change the size of your text box, and to decrease the font size, we need to select the text first and decrease the font size from this top toolbar. And now it's perfect. I can just place it here. Now I want to change this image. For that, firstly select the image which you want to change, then hit delete key, then upload your own image here, and then resize it accordingly. Now I have shown you all the things which are necessary for customizing your portfolio template, and you can go through the same process for customizing all of the sections here. If you want to replace your phone number, then select the phone number here and type your own. You can do the same thing for changing your email address here. Now before we publish our site, we need to firstly preview it so that it looks perfect on our mobile screen too. For that we need to click on this preview button from the top, and it will show you the preview of your site on the desktop view. You can see all the customizations I did on my site. And if you want to see the mobile view, then tap on this mobile icon here, and then it will show you the mobile view. Now Canva templates are mobile responsive, so that you don't need to manually change things for your mobile screen. It will be done automatically. Now to publish your site, we need to click on publish website from the top right of our screen, and then Canva will show you the options to publish your site. First of all, we need to choose the site address, which will be URL for your site. To change it, we need to click on this pencil icon. This is the default URL. I want to change it. For that, press Ctrl A on your keyboard and delete all of the things here. So I want to add my channel name as my URL. So for that, I'll just type my channel name here, which is LearnLite, and you can see this domain is available, but it will have this Canva watermark, which will be learnlite.my.canva.site. So if you want to get rid of this watermark, then click on get a new domain and purchase a new domain which will not have Canva watermark. So it will be like learnlite.com or learnlite.in, so it won't have any Canva watermark. So I'm just gonna go for this watermark URL. To confirm it, we need to click on this check mark icon. Now click on settings to adjust advanced settings related to your website, and from here you can choose your favicon. So this is the favicon for Canva. You can add your own favicon here, and you can enter the title for your website. You can add the description. If you want to enable search engine visibility, then enable this option. If you want password protection, then enable this option. Navigation menu can be enabled from here. This is the resize mobile option, and this is social media link preview. If you want to have it, then you can enable it from here, and you can upload the social media preview link you wanna show here, but I don't want to do it. That's why I'm just gonna disable it. Now to publish your site, click on continue to publish. Again hit publish, and it will start preparing your design on Canva. And there you go, I have successfully published my portfolio site. If you wanna share your portfolio, then for that just copy this link from here, and when someone pastes this link on their browser, they will be redirected to our portfolio website. So that's how you can create a portfolio for your graphic designer. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.